Group Introduction. Stock groups in inventory are similar to groups in accounting masters. They are helpful in the classification of stock items. You can group stock items under different stock groups to reflect their classification based on some common features such as brand name, product type, quality, and so on. Grouping enables you to locate stock items easily and report their details in statements. Stock group creation. Create following stock groups in Tally Prime. Stock group name Grade 1. Grouped under primary. Should quantities of items to be added? Yes. Next, Grade 2. Grouped under primary. Should quantities of items to be added? Yes. Next, Brand A. Grouped under Grade 1. Should quantities of items to be added? Yes. Next, Brand B. Grouped under Grade 2. Should quantities of items to be added? Yes. Let's see how to create stock groups in Tally Prime. To create stock groups in Tally Prime, we should navigate Create option under Masters menu from Gateway of Tally. Select Stock Group under Inventory Masters. Here, we can see Stock Group Creation page. Before creating Stock Group Master, we can access F12 Configure menu to configure general details such as provide aliases for name, provide language aliases for name, use primary or a parent stock group for stock groups, enable option to add quantities for stock items as yes. We can also access more details option on button panel to view general details of stock group created, such as name and alias, grouping of stock group, add quantities of items. Click on Show More option along with Show Inactive to view detailed information related to Stock Group Master. Enter name of stock group as Grade 1. Group under primary. Should quantities of items to be added? Yes. Similarly, Grade 2. Grouped under primary. Should quantities of items to be added? Yes. Brand A. Group under Grade 1. Should quantities of items to be added? Yes. Enter. Brand B. Grouped under Grade 2. Should quantities of items to be added? Yes. We have created all the stock groups as per available information. To view all the stock groups created in Tally Prime, we can access Chart of Accounts under Masters menu from Gateway of Tally. Select Stock Groups under Inventory Masters. Here we can see total 4 groups are created. Grade 1 having subgroup of Brand A, Grade 2 having subgroup of Brand B. Stock group alteration, deletion. To alter any stock group created in Tally Prime, we should navigate to Alter menu option under Masters from Gateway of Tally. go to Inventory Masters, select Stock Group, enter. Select the stock group name from the list of groups created. For example, brand A. We can edit information such as name of group, group under, should quantities of items to be added, and other information as needed. For example, if we wish to change the group name as brand A1, we can edit that information as brand A1. Similarly, we can alter under group as well. For example, we can edit this information from grade 1 to grade 2. Enter and accept. Further, to delete any stock group in Tally Prime, select the stock group from the list of groups. For example, brand B. To delete the given stock group, press Alt-D to delete. Please note, stock groups cannot be deleted if they are mapped under any stock items. Press Enter to confirm yes. Here we can see deleted stock group is not visible under list of stock groups.